Our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Parasuraman, the guest of honor, Mr. Rao, Chairperson, Amity Schools, Dr. Amita Chauhan, the principals of Amity Schools, and most important of all, the distinguished guests and dear students who have come to India, to Amity in this important event on AIMUN, a great learning experience for everyone, students as well as us. You will be hearing, learning about United Nations in the deliberations over 3 days. And I am quite sure, in addition to learning, you will also enjoy your stay here, because joy and learning go together. You cannot learn if you are not happy. I just want to take a few minutes, because it's a great privilege for us that we have students and their faculty advisors from 60 or more schools from India, as well as from 8 to 10 countries from overseas. It's a great meeting and interacting and networking opportunity at this campus. Amity education is a crusade. It's a crusade in true sense of the word education. The dream of the founders, the founder president, the chairperson, is that a student from nursery or pre-nursery goes through Amity to get doctorates and even higher degrees, postdoctorate, in the discipline of his choice from the portals of Amity. With that, in a short span of decade and a half, we have today in Amity more than 10 schools at primary and secondary level, nearly 30 institutions, 200 programs, 3 universities, and 4 overseas campuses, with about 80,000 students from all over the world studying in the Amity. We have tremendous focus not only on education, but research. We have projects funded by different government ministries and from corporate houses, about 200 projects, and in last 15 months, more than 127 patents have been filed by our research scientists from our research labs. We are the only trust, if I would even dare say from the world, a private trust which has established 3 universities in a span of 6 years and 150 and more institutions in disciplines, more than 200 disciplines. Except medicine, we have all disciplines, including nanotechnology, biotechnology, in which I dare say we excel. Why am I mentioning this? I have students today from Amity and from different schools and from schools from abroad. I take the privilege of inviting these students to learn something about Amity and join Amity. We have campuses today in London, in San Francisco, in New York, and in Singapore, in addition to in India, about 30 campuses in India in higher education. Awarding degrees. We have a very strong and most modern e-learning program, fully automated, everything online from admission to teaching to interaction, face-to-face interaction while the teaching is going on with any student anywhere in the world. And we have today students on our e-learning system from about 52 countries across the world. We are the only private university in India, especially selected by the government of India in a very mega project of our previous President of India, respected Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, to impart tele-education to 53 countries of African Union through a dedicated satellite network. This is an additional initiative in which Amity University is the premier and most popular education provider through tele system to all the countries in Africa. This program is supported by the Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs, and Telecom Consultants India Limited, who are also supporting us technically, having established hubs in various universities in Africa. We just concluded a conference. We keep on holding many international events, one in the school now, this initiative, in the university, where participants from different countries come and share knowledge. We just concluded an international conference in forensic science, where we had delegates from 101 countries from abroad staying with us. I thought I'll just mention to you, because I dare invite students from other schools in India and schools from abroad to consider the subject of their choice, subject of their future learning. So choose the campus they want to join to get a degree, a recognized degree. Our degrees are recognized today in US, in other countries, including United Nations. I thought I'll just mention this. I didn't want to mention on UN so much. I also want to say that we have tried to make all our guests as comfortable as possible. We'll keep on improving over the 2 days and take care that you go very happy with wonderful, joyful memories of this place. Here, this is a good season to be in India. Thank you very much again. And in the end, I just want to thank the Amity University team, who has helped jointly with the team of the Amity schools, who have taken a lot of pains with a lot of energy and enthusiasm to make this conference a memorable event, a successful event, and make you all very comfortable. Thank you very much.